So NASA from their Artemis 2 uploaded or sent this from Artemis 2 send this picture back to Earth, and from the orbiting the moon project that they are currently on, and this is the Earth from space. And before we even get into it, flat earthers, if you are still a flat earther in 2026, I honestly do not know what you are on. I honestly want to be on whatever it is you are on, because there is no way you still believe the earth is flat. So down to the topic. I saw this picture and honestly it got me thinking, how did this come to be? How did this happen? Like, there's a ball floating in space in vast darkness. Like, there is no light in space. If you on, let's say you get to space, you bring up your phone and you turn on your torchlight, there's no medium for you to see your light. It's just darkness, nothing other than the sunlight that is there. There are two theories: the scientific one, which is the Big Bang theory, and the religious one, which is God did all of this. But still, whichever one you choose to believe in, if you still think about it critically, it's just mind-blowing and still doesn't make sense. Like, this is all of humanity as we know it. This is what 7 billion people are on. This is where your father is on, your mother is on, your sister, your brother, your sibling, your wife, your granddad, your ancestors. This is where they are on this blue ball. And if you look bottom right, there is a dot, a bright dot. That is Venus, another planet. But from where the picture is taken, it looks minuscule, it looks intangible. But if you get close to it, it is just another planet as big as Earth itself. But yet, from this distance, it looks like it is even pointless. Like, how did this happen? I need to know it. I know there are explanations, but I just can't wrap my head around a ball floating in space. Let me use the word float in space, and there are human beings on it with cars, ships, airplanes. 7 billion people just floated in space. This is the unedited picture of, because I think they uploaded 2 hours ago, which is night on this side that they are facing. You can see Africa. This is Africa. The desert part of Africa is this yellow bit that is not as blue as you'd expect. Then beneath it is Europe. To the far right, you can see dots of light on Earth, which is showing you or telling you that is human activity. That is us. Then bottom right at the back, you can see it is brighter. That is now the part that is facing the sun. So those are the ones that are currently in the morning. That will be in America, because we are in Europe. So we are at night and they are in the morning, because the Earth has now revolved and rotated to face the sun. And we, with no sun, we are facing the moon and we are at night. But it still brings the question of how this beautiful thing came to be. I still cannot wrap my head around it. There are theories and explanations, but how did it? I would like to know. Also, another picture. From the side, you are seeing sunlight brighter. They are in the day. The other part is dark at night. They can't see, or they are currently at night. It's just, and the color of Earth itself, as opposed to the other planet, is just so beautiful. But how is a ball floating in space? I need to know. How is a ball floating in space? In darkness. And I think NASA is still not giving us enough props, enough pictures. We need pictures, we need video of the earth rotating around its axis. We need to see, we need to see the theory. We need evidence, not evidence, but we need to see it. I don't care how long they have to set their camera and then do like a ×2 video to show you the earth revolving or rotating around its axis. How many pictures have they sent us in the last 2 days? Just 4. We need more pictures of everything, pictures of the darkness. Even if it's just darkness, we need to see it. And also, I don't know why they said they were going to live stream on YouTube, because like you can't call it live stream because you obviously cannot see them as they are due to the distance, but they called it a live stream. It's not possible. But yeah, probably live stream up to some certain point, but at that point it's no longer live because there is going to be a delay from when they are transferring back to Earth. But I still need to get it. How did this beautiful thing happen? It's just so brilliant. And then the scientists and the engineers and the physicists and the chemists and the biologists that decided to figure out how the whole thing works. I need to know how they think, because I can't even begin to imagine how many mathematics and calculations would have gone into this project. Because a little miscalculation and it will all go wrong. Okay, either don't meet and orbit the moon correctly, or they don't come back successfully. And also, whoever built the spaceship and program it on the trajectory it has to have passed through, and the calculation, I think the only word is it is mind-blowing. That's the only thing I can say at this point, because I just still cannot wrap my head around it. I honestly cannot.